Hey there, Amazon sellers! Welcome back to another e-commerce session of Ecomclips. Today, we'll be sharing a valuable tip that many sellers often overlook: how to request a review from your Amazon customer. So let's dive in. Before we get into the process, let's talk a bit about the importance of reviews on Amazon. As many of you already know, customer reviews play a crucial role in the success of Amazon products. Positive reviews build trust and encourage potential customers to make a purchase. On the other hand, negative reviews can seriously impact your sales. That's why it's important to actively seek reviews from your satisfied buyers. Amazon has a specific guidelines regarding asking for reviews from customers. It's essential to follow these guidelines to avoid any issues with your account. One of the best ways to ask reviews is by using the review request button on Amazon Seller Central. So let's check the step-by-step process for using this feature. First, log in into your Amazon Seller Central account. Once logged in, click on the Orders tab in the main dashboard and then click on Manage Orders to view the details of each order. In the order details, check the status of the orders. To request a review, the order status should be shown as Payment Complete, which means the product has been delivered to the customer. Now, find the order ID for the product you want to request a review for. Click on the order ID to see more information about the order. In the top right corner, you will see a button labeled Request a Review. Click on it to initiate the review request. Amazon will send a review request to the customer for the particular order. If you have more orders that are eligible for review request, repeat the process for each one. If you have a high volume sales and manually requesting reviews become time consuming, consider using automation tools to automate the process for eligible orders. Also, keep track of the reviews you received and respond to them if necessary. Engaging with customers can build a positive relationship and encourage future purchases. Remember, requesting reviews from customers is a powerful way to boost your product's reputation and sales on Amazon. And that's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, please give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content like this. If you have any feedback or questions, leave them in the comment section. If you need any further assistance, you can also mail us at info@ecomclips.com with this video reference. We are here to help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.